This is out at the market buying Pampers for all the kids.
Hey, you can give these papers to your father to read through and sign. We'll be by to pick them up in the morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, what is all that stuff?
Dad's business.
Hey, what is it?
I told you, it's Dad's business. Look, smiling.
They can't wait and teach you all when they focus on all the whatever you call it.
Trash picking box. In the record house, I hope they make it a sand trap.
And look at the balls out. You know, I think it made me lose my appetite. And Daddy Paul are him. Poor Big Paul.
This isn't show.
Forward to read it.
She was saying that.
Don't worry about it. No, don't worry about it.
Then maybe you get to sleep at night instead of sitting up trying to figure out where Mom lets you stay here.
Forget about the adventures of the lungs.
I let you out and almost ground my ass, and I got a date with Andy on Friday, right?
You're dreaming, kid. There's no way. That means the Mom's got it wrong. Then you gotta make it a grind and all.
Shut up now.
Shut up, Peter. Daddy, what are we gonna do about that country club? It's killing our parents. If we don't do something now, there's gonna be a golf course right where we're standing.